Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover 5 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all we have to find and open our contact list, and now let's tap on the contact you would like to edit. Now let's tap on this camera icon in the middle, and as you can see here we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. We can set something from those avatars, so they are defaultly installed on this device. You can tap on this plus icon and here you've got actually plenty of options to choose from, so that's quite a cool option. Just tap on this minus icon if you don't want to. Let me tap on cancel. What's more, you've got another 2 options. So you've got the gallery. After tapping on it you will be transferred to your own photos, and we've got the camera. So after tapping on it your device will open the camera app, obviously, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. I will pick something from the gallery, so just tap on it. Right now your device asks you the permission to access photos, so just tap on allow and tap on the photo we would like to use. And as you can see right now we can adjust the size of the square and the circle actually inside of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. What's more, we can zoom in or zoom out the photo, so just position it like you want to and tap on done. As you can see it immediately appears. Remember to tap on save here, and after getting back you can see at least it should appear on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy XCover 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.